Hello and welcome to FunnelKit. One-click upsells are upsells shown immediately to your customers after they complete your store checkout page and before they see your thank you page. That's why they're also referred to as post-purchase upsells. And one of the reasons that one-click upsells can have such a high conversion rate is that your customers do not need to enter their payment information again. When your customers complete your checkout form, you save their payment details behind the scenes. And then for each upsell, all your customers need to do is click one button, you'll charge their payment method again, you'll add that product into their order, and then take them to the next step in your store checkout. And to really increase your average order value, you can create multiple one-click upsell offers that show to your customers during the checkout process, one after another. And using FunnelKit's dynamic path feature, you are able to redirect your customers to different upsells when they accept or reject an upsell offer. Combine this with FunnelKit's rule engine, which allows you to show one-click upsells based on conditions, and you have everything that you need to show the right upsell at the right time. And while one-click upsells are great at helping you sell more products in each order, they're also a fantastic way to help you sell more of your higher priced items. Consider this, your customers usually require more information about your higher priced products before purchasing. With each one-click upsell, you have an entire page dedicated to helping you explain the benefits of your one-click upsell offer and to convince your customers to add it into their order. If you combine this with the fact that people who see your upsells have already spent money in your store today and shown that they trust your brand and products, there's no better place to upsell your higher priced products than with a one-click upsell. And creating upsells with FunnelKit is extremely fast and easy to do so. In FunnelKit, under Store Checkout, click Add New Step. Select the one-click upsell step type, choose your page builder, and don't worry if yours is not listed here because we support all page builders and all themes. See our other video for more information. Next, start from blank or choose to preview one of our professional modern templates. When ready, select import this template, and now you'll have a new upsell step between your checkout and thank you step. And inside this is your first upsell offer. Click to edit your offer, and under products, browse your WooCommerce catalog and select the product that you'll be upselling. Adjust the discount amount and click Save. Head on over to the Design tab and click to edit the design of your upsell. Proceed to alter the design in any way that you wish using your favorite page builder. When done, save the page. And that's all there is to it. Our upsell is now complete. FunnelKit's one-click upsells help you turn your store into an upselling machine, and that's just one of the many powerful features included with FunnelKit. Other features include the ability for you to design high-converting checkout pages, easily add one-click upsells to boost your average order value, and so much more. To start making more profit with your WooCommerce store, head to our pricing page to see our current deals.